What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We are back here outside my house, and check it out. It has been 2 solid weeks since I posted the crash video. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your love and comments. Seriously, the support has been unbelievable, and I just didn't know how anyone was going to react when I posted that video, and just seeing your guys' support has just calmed my nerves, and just it doesn't make it seem as bad. So I seriously do appreciate you. But today we are out here with the Miata. Check this thing out, you guys. This thing has been my daily driver for the last 2 weeks while we figure out the 350Z. My 1991 Mazda Miata 1.6. This thing is so awesome. We got my first car I ever drove. This is my very first car ever in high school. This is my 2008 Dodge Nitro, and we've actually passed it to my little sister. My little sister drives this thing now, so this is where it all started. But the unfortunate thing is we ended up losing the hubcap last week, which kind of stinks. I was actually going down a dirt road, and it was super bouncy. The irony of the entire situation is I actually took the Miata like the day before to Les Schwab to get that exact tire fixed, and then I take it on the dirt road, and that's the only hubcap that falls off. So I can only imagine that they put it on somehow wrong. The hubcap has a ring inside of it, and that ring is what holds the hubcap to the wheel, and there was no ring there, so it's gone, and I have no way to like prove that they did it. So I already called them and tried to figure it out. It didn't work out. So anyways, I already ordered a brand new set of these exact hubcaps, 15-inch Camry 2006 Camry hubcaps. Now I know a whole bunch of people are probably thinking like, why don't you just get a real set of wheels? And honestly, I've been thinking about it. I just can't decide yet which wheels to get. The hubcaps were like 50 bucks, so I just went ahead and got them in the meantime, and as you can tell, they're all pretty scratched. I didn't do this. The guy that owned it last did that, but that's some gnarly curb rash right there. I'm surprised that hubcap didn't fall off, but maybe it did. Anyways, you guys, that's the update for this. We're gonna head over to Faith Auto Body right now, and we're gonna go check on the Z. It has seriously been 2 weeks since I've even laid my eyes on the Z. The day I dropped it off over there was the last day I saw the car. So we're taking the Miata right now. We're getting a cold start, or it's not really cold. It's like 90 out, but I honestly just want to see the car because I miss it terribly. And that's the plan. So let's do it. Amazing. I put the OEM. If you guys remember the old steering wheel I had, it was an aftermarket steering wheel, and the other day I was driving and I was actually stopped, and because there's no power steering on this thing, I was turning the wheel pretty hard, and the wheel just randomly stripped completely out, and I couldn't even move the wheels anymore. So I had to put this thing back on, Old Faithful, and we finally got our horns, which is amazing. Seriously, driving around a Miata with no horns just makes it 3 or 4 times scarier, just because you can't alert people that you're like on the way, or you just can't alert people. So, I don't know, it's nice to have horns. It's nice to have an airbag again. I definitely think we need to get a new steering wheel. I'm going for it. Going for it. We made it. Definitely going to be getting a new steering wheel soon, though. I was thinking about an NB Miata steering wheel. I love the shape of them. It's a lot more sporty, so. All right, guys, it's getting loud. I'll see you in a little bit. Oh, how could we forget? Pretty awesome, actually. I mean, this thing was like just a hot box for months. It's pretty awesome to have AC in this thing now. It's actually pretty comfortable. So, because that giant semi truck, we got to get in that far lane. Oh God, no. I'm going. Made it. No issues. All right. Pulling up to Faith Quality Auto Body. You know, we're in the right place because we got to go all the way down to the dead end and turn right. And then there's just like this giant dirt lot of cars that need to be fixed. So, will the Z be out there in the lot? I'm actually kind of excited. I have not seen this thing in like way too long. I'm either going to be like super excited to see it, or it's going to make me sad. So, we'll find out what happens. I think it'll be good though. Honestly, I really miss the thing. We got all these cars that need to be fixed. And I mean, they're just knocking it out car by car, which is pretty sweet. I'm going to pull it in here. Dang. I think right here's a good spot. All right, guys, so I'm gonna park it right here. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna see where the 350Z is. I have no idea. And then I'm gonna actually get a date to see when it should be done, like their projected day. Hopefully it won't be too long, but we're gonna find out. There we are. Yes. Sweet, sweet. Oh, there's the parts, bros. Wow, man. Quite the establishment over here. I've never been behind that door. Man, you guys are killing it. Wow. Yeah. The crash is on YouTube.
Is it really?
I was wearing the GoPro. It's got like 30,000 views. I know, man.
Yeah, and I'm looking at it, I'm like, damn, this thing's pretty fresh too. I was like, because he was telling me when it first came in, he was like, yeah, this thing might total.
Oh.
And I was like, damn, I was like, it's pretty good damn.
I know, the airbags didn't go off or anything.
Oh, and that's good because honestly, that's what the insurance you don't want to see.
Okay.
If any bags bust.
Yeah. Dang. You know, I haven't seen this thing in a while, and it looks freaking clean, man. Honestly.
Oh damn, they're gonna let you go get the key.
Oh, it might be. It's kind of. Oh, it's jank.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No way. Oh, she smells the same. No way. Oh man, you guys. There it is. Dang, you guys. Here we are. The 350Z. There's a big story on it. Big story about the insurance and them totaling it and then not totaling it. I'm gonna do an entire separate video on everything that went down with the insurance, but check it, you guys. This is her. And the guy that was helping us out right now, he recognized us from the shop when we were over there, and it's just sad. Like, I'm so happy to see it here because it almost got sold for parts. So that curb rash right there, I'll fix that. Got so lucky, so lucky. Oh, she's still alive.
Go ahead and start it up for old time's sake.
Yeah, I know. Could I?
Go ahead. Okay.
Dang, bro. Okay. Shoot. All right. One sec. It's been. Here we go.
She died.
No, wait. What? I mean, seriously, 2 weeks, bro. Like, wow. Started right up, you guys. Wait. I gotta get the sound, you know, the exhaust over here. Cold start. Yes. Oh my god. It makes me so happy to hear that. Like, when I woke up that morning, I got the call that they were gonna total it. I just didn't even know how to. I didn't know how to act. Had this pit in my stomach because it's such a good car.
Yeah, like
87k miles, like original, like.
Oh, that's
low miles.
Yeah, that's super low.
So, would I be able to keep that fender?
Yeah, I don't see why not.
I put it on my wall? Okay.
So he's the owner of the 350z.
There it is. There it is. Huge thanks to Faith Quality Auto Body. Check it out, you guys. Oh, we got the Miata. Oh no. Oh no. Running lights are on. Is she dead? She can't be dead. She started right up. We were out. Miata started right up. I wasn't even worried. All right, guys, there we have it. My GoPro is at 2% right now. I'm gonna try and end this video before it dies. I seriously am so happy to see the 350Z again, and I'm so happy that they're fixing it and not totaling it. I hope you're excited to see the 350Z again, because I am. We got a date. May 10th is when it should be done, which is in 2 weeks from today. So seriously, guys, thank you so much for being here and joining me on this journey. I thank you for all the support and all the love in the comments on the last video. I really do appreciate it more than you know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.